Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo to prevent payment scams and unauthorized logins. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Venmo, first, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Tap on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap Next. Venmo will send you a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code you received and tap Confirm. Next, provide your email address. It's important to use an email that you regularly check. After entering your email, create a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once your password is set, tap Next to proceed. You'll then be asked to set up your profile. Enter your first and last name as you want it to appear. You can also add a profile picture if desired. Once your profile is complete, tap Next. Next, you'll be asked to link a bank account or credit card. Select your preferred method for funding your account. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account or card. Ensure that you use a secure internet connection during this step. Once linked, Venmo may take a moment to verify your account. You will then be taken to your Venmo home screen. To further secure your account, navigate to the Settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication to provide an extra layer of security. This will require you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone each time you log in. Additionally, regularly monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to Venmo immediately. Review privacy settings to control who can see your transactions. Remember to log out after using the app on shared devices. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Venmo securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.